Hey people, welcome back. We enjoyed this episode of scale model restoration tips, how-tos, and little help me's here and there. What I'm gonna do in this episode is I'm gonna install the wiper arm. The one-to-one only has one, so I'm gonna go ahead and put one on here as well. But what I'm gonna do is something I should have done before I painted, and that is drill a hole out so this fits in there. That looks pretty close there. So clean this up a little bit. There we go. Let's double check. Make sure we have the right diameter. We don't want it real big. So I'm eyeballing it, and that looks pretty good. We'll set that over there. Probably the smartest thing to do is drill a pilot hole using a smaller bit, smaller index. Well, we'll go with the 35 thousandths here. Go with the switch ends. Make sure it goes in there straight. And always remember, these will break. So try not to, over twist them or put them in a bind. All I'm going to do is, already see the hole, the indent. Just drill slow. That's the key. And when you break this, it'll be when it goes to go in. So if you go real slow, take a breather there. You can probably see the hole made. Really hard on the excuse me, the thumb here. I'm going in for surgery next month, so hopefully we'll get it all straightened out. Be able to use it again. It's been 2.5 years, and it's really hard to do detail stuff. Although I do try, as you can see. I don't know, my hand's probably in the way here. Should be just about through it. Yep. We're through it, but keep in mind the windshield goes up a little bit in there. So when you go to drill, don't drill too far. You don't need to go in very far anyway. So we'll go ahead and switch index. Put the other one in. Same thing now, you really got to drill carefully because it will want to go in. Get a little tighter. I don't get it so tight with my fingers and hands the way they are. I don't have my pliers up here. There we have it. We have our hole. We go in there and clean that hole up a little bit very carefully. I don't want to scratch the paint. There. Now, let's see how that fits in there. It fit in there pretty nice. Yeah, it'll fit. little bit. I'm going to clean her up a little bit here. That'll work pretty good. I need a black Sharpie. I'm going to do the wiper blade tip. Might have this. That might have been out. So he's just going to do just the tip. Just that little added detail, you know. And there we go. I know you ain't gonna be able to see it, but probably if I take still pictures, you might be able to. We'll let that dry. Grab a little glue and go ahead and stick her in there. In the meantime, while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and touch up the little area where I did the drilling. First of all, put the index away. Don't want to lose it. I bought this index set, 61 to 80. Frame came from Shanghai, China. Got it at a hobby store when we was in Jersey back in 03. I gave $20 for it. It was $19.99. And tell you what, pretty cool. A lot of sizes. Yeah, I'd be lost without it, that's for sure. I mean, I got a gazillion little index sets, so never run too short. Okay, well, let me go ahead and pause that for a little bit, and we'll get right back with you. Hopefully, we'll be installing it here. Let me go ahead and touch up that little circle there, so it don't look so bad, and we'll go from there. You know what? I might just hit it with a little, yeah. Hold on a second. Let's try something here. There, how's that look? Yeah, ingenious when I come up with ideas like that, huh? That'll work good. Didn't have to paint it or nothing. So, alrighty. I'm gonna take a few minutes here and wow, I gotta find my bench. Holy smokes. Is it ever full? I got stuff scattered everywhere. From that side all the way over to that side. Wow, huh? That's a lot. Whoop. Whoop. Where were we? Oh, there we were. Sorry about that. Trip around the world. Okay, give me a second. I'll be back. Or two or three. Okay, there it is. Installed. I'm going to go ahead and, where it was attached to the sprue tree, add a little Sharpie to it. Oh, looks so bad. Everybody, Kelly. That's the ticket. And there she is. This one's almost completed. Getting there. Got door handles installed. Got a mirror, outside mirror to install. Got to clean her up. Got to recoat the wheels again. And she's almost ready. So, okay, yeah, people, till the next episode. Take care and thank you for watching. Hope you're enjoying this. Yeah, I hope I'm teaching somebody something at least. I'd like to share, so hopefully everybody's taking it in.